LG has recently applied the RGBW technology in some 4K TVs, giving you the best of both worlds with this brilliant and energy-efficient technology. Now let's take a look at this LG RGBW 4K TV that everyone is calling a future-oriented technology. First, let's take a look at resolution. Who do you think sets the standards for resolution? To begin with, resolution is set by the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO for short, and the International Committee for Display Metrology. According to them, resolution should be measured by luminance resolution. In order to see the pixels more clearly, we've attached a micro lens to our cell phone. Let's take a look. The resolution is the total number of white and black lines, which are distinguished by the contrast difference. And that 4K needs to display 3,840 lines vertically and 2,160 lines horizontally. LG's RGBW 4K TV definitely complies with the definition of a 4K display set by ISO because it displays 3,840 lines by 2,160 lines. LG's 4K RGBW TV has been validated by different organizations around the world. Certification companies such as Intertek, UL, TUV, and a number of different industry institutes such as CESI and Zeta. We've taken the remotes and set both TVs to their optimal picture mode. First, for the RGBW 4K TV, we have Vivid, Standard, Eco, Cinema, Sports, Game, and Photo. Now on this TV, Vivid appears to be the best. Other TV, we have Dynamic, Standard, Natural, and Movie. Now for this TV, Dynamic appears to be the best. Now I've set the two TVs on their optimal mode. Let's check out the power consumption for both TVs. Do you see the difference? The products equipped with panels that use RGBW technology have significantly lower power consumption. LG's RGBW display is capable of emitting more light than the conventional RGB display while also being more energy efficient. These mannequins represent two viewers both sitting 3 meters away from the TV, which is the average distance for a 55-inch display. Let's start with the front view first. We've attached cameras to each of their foreheads to test what it's like to watch TV at every position. At first, you don't notice any difference in picture quality from the front view. But as I mentioned, we don't only watch TV from the sweet spot, which is right in front of the screen. Let's test it out from a variety of different angles. See, do you notice any difference? The LG RGBW 4K TV includes IPS technology, so there's no distortion in picture quality from any angle. However, what about others? The TV with a VA panel displays a distorted image when viewed from different angles. So yes, LG's RGBW 4K TV is clearly a 4K resolution TV that happens to also maintain low power consumption even in large screens. In addition, the IPS panel allows you to view high quality images from across the room without distortion.